It's a scene from 3 years ago at Vijay Shekhar Sharma's office. This was the same time when legendary American investor Warren Buffett invested in Paytm. At 16,600 crore rupees, this promises to be the largest IPO in India so far, surpassing the 15,199 crore rupees issue of state-owned Coal India in 2010. Speaking at that time with Rahul Kanwal on Jab We Met, Sharma had said,
"It's inevitable that the model of financial services on internet and technology is showing up in other countries. I mean, China is definitely one of those big numbers showing up. So there is a tremendous amount of cash flow that can be generated based on the business model that we know."
Today, with Paytm on the cusp of a public listing, it will not just be Vijay Shekhar Sharma, but a host of investors who will break out into a song and dance as they eye a cash out of the firm that epitomized the startup dream for Indian entrepreneurs. And the rise of the digital age with the advent of demonetization. While the company has not finalized a timeline yet, it is expected to list on the Indian bourses ahead of Diwali. Reports suggest that the company could list by the end of October, as it plans to skip the pre-IPO share sale rounds to fast-track the listing. Experts are quite bullish on the IPO and expecting a blockbuster listing despite the high valuation.
This will be a blockbuster IPO not only for the Indian capital markets, but even for large as well as retail investors who want to invest, in a fintech company for a longer term perspective. Most importantly, listing gains could be definitely be significant, and thereafter, of course, the company's performance, its quarterly numbers, and what kind of performances it records, on a quarterly basis, are going to be, the near-term tailwinds which would, drive the valuations going forward. So definitely, even though company is loss-making, I would not be surprised if this issue gets a very strong kind of response from the markets.
According to sources, the Vijay Shekhar Sharma-led company is seeking a valuation of $20 to $22 billion in the IPO. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.